To connect your Amazon store in AMZ Seller Toolbox, click on one of the Connect Your Store buttons on the dashboard, or click on the Connect Amazon Store link in the left side nav as shown. Enter your store name and marketplace location. You'll need your Amazon Merchant Token and NWS Auth Token. To get your Merchant Token, go to your Amazon Seller Central account. Go to Settings and select Account Info. On the Account Info page, click on the Your Merchant Token. Copy and paste this into AMZ Seller Toolbox. To get your MWS Auth Token, go to Settings and select User Permissions. At the bottom of the User Permissions page, click on the Authorize a Developer button. Enter AMZ Seller Toolbox's name and developer ID into the corresponding fields. Copy and paste the MWS Auth Token into AMZ Seller Toolbox. Click Integrate, and if successful, your data will start to be transferred. Your store is now connected to AMZ Seller Toolbox.